people, this is Teacher Melanie, Teacher Mom. And if this is your first time to my channel, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back to paradise. Now, do you ever often wonder why parents love one-on-one online ESL learning for their children? Find out how. Talk about why one-on-one classes are really popular amongst Chinese parents. So one of the classes that I teach is it is with VIPKID, if you can see that, VIPKID teacher, and it is one-on-one. There's other platforms, online ESL platforms, that may teach 1 to 4 students at a time. But parents do particularly like one-on-one online learning for their children. And let me tell you why. One reason is that with one-on-one, teachers they feel more comfortable that teachers are focused in learning their child's learning style quickly. It's one-on-one, so they're able to learn how their particular child learns faster. Number 2, they also like when the teacher is 100% focusing on their child. They love that. Especially when it comes to young learners, they like when young learners feel comfortable with the child, so they feel comfortable in responding to English. When it's older students, they want students to have a rapport. They want their older child to have a rapport. They can build a relationship, kind of really get to them to have a more conversation, which is helping them to build their dialogue. Number 3, parents love when teachers are friendly. So when you are that one-on-one, they feel as though that teacher is friendly, they're smiling, they love the smile, ding. They love when teachers are friendly and they're smiling and they're giving them rewards constantly. So they feel as though that the kids are having that rapport with the children. So when a parent see that they have a rapport with a student, they are more prone to book you over and over again because they realize that that child has a connection with you. Number 4, a little notes here. Number 4, it's also important that they feel as though you are their personal teacher. You are their personal teacher. So if you're not a part of any online ESL company and you would like to teach from home, work hard, play harder, and enjoy the flexibility of teaching from home, join VIPKID. You can use my referral link at the bottom, or my code, either one. You can use it. Leave a message, my email, so we can correspond and figure out how we can help you, and I can help you with your online ESL platform. So this is Teacher Melanie, Teacher Mom, and I can't wait to see you in the next video. So I will see you soon. Bye, fabulous people. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe. Do that now. No, now. Do that now. Okay? Bye, fabulous people.